Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon. All of you, good afternoon. Good afternoon, all. We will wait for a few minutes till children are joining. We will wait for a few minutes till children are joining. It's good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. We will wait for a few minutes till children are joining. Okay, we will start now. Welcome to Bharat Group of Schools and Colleges. Welcome to Bharat Group of Schools and Colleges. Hello and good afternoon, students. Hello and good afternoon, students. We will start with the subject of EVS. EVS means Environmental Studies. We will continue with the same lesson, lesson number 5. Water, water everywhere. We will continue with the same lesson, lesson number 5. Water, water everywhere. Lesson 5. Water, water everywhere. Children, in the previous lecture, sources of water, types of water sources. What are the types of water sources? Natural and man-made, and water in our homes. What we have learned? We have learned about water sources. Which are they? Natural sources and man-made. Man-made is also called artificial. About water in our homes. What we have learned? We have learned about natural sources and man-made or artificial sources. What we have learned about natural sources? Natural sources are rain, river, lake, pond, ocean, sea, rain, waterfall. Man-made or artificial sources are well, bore well, tube well. Now children, we all get water from different sources. Means what? We get water. We get water from different sources. And we have learned about that main source of water is Rain. Now, if I ask you what is the main source of water, so you should know the answer that rain. The main source of water is rain. And the water which we get from the rain is called rainwater. Now, what is the main source of water? The main source of water is rain. The water from rain is called rainwater. Now, rain, you can see the umbrella. Now rainwater. Now rainwater, where it goes? Rainwater goes to ponds, rivers, lakes, wells, waterfalls. Now if I ask you rainwater, where it goes, you should know the answer. It goes to ponds, rivers, lakes, wells, streams and waterfalls. Now what they are called? These are called water bodies. What it is called? Yes, it is called water bodies. Now children, there are some other water bodies. So some other water bodies are what? Seas and ocean. Some other water bodies are seas and oceans. We have learned before. They are huge. They are huge. Contain a large amount of water. So some other water bodies are seas and ocean. They are huge, contain a large amount of water. Children, we get water from wells, rivers, lakes, ponds, and waterfall. Means where do we get water? We get water from wells, rivers, lakes, ponds, and waterfalls. And the water from these sources come to the taps and pipelines in our houses. Now in our house, how does the water come? Water comes through the taps and the pipelines in our houses. So water from these sources come to the taps and pipelines in our houses. Now we have learned that there are two types of sources of water. What are they? Sources of water are of two types. First is natural source. Second is man-made source, or it is also called artificial source. So there are two types of sources of water. What they are? Natural source, man-made source. Natural source. We have learned before also. So natural sources are rain, river, pond, lake, ocean, sea, spring, waterfall. So what they are? They are all natural sources. Now children, man-made source. Man-made source or artificial sources are well, bore well, tube well. So these are all man-made or artificial sources. What they are? Well, bore well, tube well. Now children, some rainwater where it flows, some of the rainwater where it flows into the rivers and streams. Some rainwater flows into the rivers and streams. The water from the river goes to the seas and ocean. Means what? The water from the river, where it goes to the seas and oceans. Now, some rainwater collects over the ground to form lakes and ponds. So collects. Some rainwater collects over the ground to form what? To form lakes and ponds. And children, some rainwater it goes under the ground as groundwater. If it goes under the ground, it is called groundwater. And if it is over the ground, it forms lakes and ponds. Out in the form of water spring. It comes out in the form of water springs. Now, children, picture of water. Now, children, to use the water stored under the ground, what we do? We dig wells, bore wells, and tube wells. To use the water which is stored under the ground, what we do? We dig wells, bore wells, and tube wells. Now this is the picture of well. Means we dig wells. Bore well or tube well. Children, the water that we use every day, what it is called? It is called fresh water. Means the water which we use every day. What it is called? It is called fresh water. It comes, now where it comes from? It comes from rivers, streams, ponds, wells, and so on. So water which we use every day is called what? Fresh water. And where it comes from? It comes from rivers, streams, ponds, wells, and so on. And now we can, how we can use this water? We can use this water for drinking, bathing, washing, and cooking. We cannot use water sense. We can see an ocean. Why? Because it is salty. Now children, in cities, How do people use? People use tap water for their daily use. In cities, people use tap water for their daily use. And how ponds, lakes, rivers, and wells. Now this is the picture of tap water. Next picture, this is also the picture of tap water. In villages, people may use tap water. Means in villages, people may use tap water. Or they use water. Means in the villages, they use water from where? From wells, rivers, lakes, or streams directly. Means in the villages, they use water from where? From wells, rivers, lakes, or streams directly. They also use hand pumps. They also use hand pumps in villages. Now this is the picture of hand pump. Now children, we should boil the water. Why we should boil the water? Because boiling makes the water fit to drink. Nowadays, water purifier are also there. Why they are there? They make water fit for drinking. We should boil the water. Boiling makes the water fit to drink. Nowadays, water purifiers are used to make water fit for drinking. So you should know that boiling makes the water fit to drink. And nowadays water purifier also there. Why? That also makes water fit for drinking. Now this is the picture of boiling water. Picture of water filter. Next picture, water filter. Means these are the ways to purify water. Now children, now we will learn about water then and now. What we will learn? We will learn about water then and now. Children, people in olden days made houses near the water sources. Why in the olden days people made houses near the water sources? Because there were no taps, wells, or hand pumps. People in olden days, people made houses near the water sources. Why? Because there were no taps, wells, or hand pumps. only natural sources of water were there. Means in the olden days, only natural sources of water were there. Then they started building artificial sources like wells, taps, and pipelines. Children, what they did, they started building artificial sources. Now, artificial sources are what? Wells, taps, and pipelines. Children, today also some places have very few sources of water. Means in some of the places, they have very few sources of water. In these places, every day people walk far away places to get water for their daily uses. Means what? They walk far away. Why they walk far away? To get water for their daily use. Now children, you can see women's women bring water from far away places. For them, water is not easily available to them. Water is not easily available to them. So they bring water from far away places. Now children, word wall as a you can repeat the words with me or as a practice, you can write in your notebook. Olden, O-L-D, old, E-N. So it will be olden, O-L-D-E-N, olden. Days, D-A-Y-S, D-E-Y-S, days. Building, B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G, building. B-U-I-L-D, build, I-N-G, ing. So, building, B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G, building. Next word, artificial, A-R-T-I-F-I-C-I-E-L, artificial. A-R-T-I-F-I-C-I-E-L, artificial. Next word, today. T-O-2-D-A-Y, day. So how you will spell today? T-O-D-A-Y, today. Far away, far, F-A-R, far away, A-W-E-Y, away. So far away, F-A-R-A-W-E-Y, far away. Next word, daily. D-A-I-L-Y, daily. D-A-I-L-Y, daily. Easily. E-A-S-I-L-Y, easily. E-A-S-I-L-Y. Next word, available. A-V-A-I. L-A-B-L-E, available. A-V-A-I-L-A-B-L-E, available. Now children, we will do a small activity. You can message me in the chat box. Activity. Now children, the question is which of the following is not present in fresh water? I will give you the option. Option A, dirt. Option B, salt. Option C, mud. Option D, germs. Now what is the question? Present in fresh water. Dirt, salt, mud, germs. You can message me in the chat box. So the answer is salt. Now children, next. The water that we use every day. We have learned before also that water that we use every day is called dash. You can message me in the chat box. Option A, salty water. Option B, river water. Option C, rain water. And option D, fresh water. The question is, the water that we use every day is called dash. Salty water, river water, rain water, fresh water. So the answer is fresh water. The water that we use every day is called fresh water. Now children, in this lesson, you have learned about sources of water. We have learned about types of water sources, natural and man-made. We have also learned water in our homes and water then and now. What we have learned? We have learned about sources of water. We have learned about types of water sources, natural and man-made, water in our homes, and water then and now. Children, what in this lesson we have learned about rainwater, water bodies. We have learned also about how does the water comes in our houses. We have learned about natural, man-made or artificial sources. We have also learned about in villages what it is used, hand pumps, and cities tap water is used. Now children, I will give you the words. You can send me in the chat box. Now first word is salty. Come on children. Salty. Come on children. Very good. S E L T Y. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Very good. Salty. Very good. Very good. Now children, next word. Trees. Next word is trees. Very good. T R double E S. Very good. Trees. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Very good. Very good. Now children, next word. Rain. Very good. Very good. E I N. Very good. All are the correct answers. Very good. Now children, next word. Next word is well. Next word well. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Very good. Well. W E double L. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now children, next next word. Stream. Now children, next word stream. Stream. Very good. Yes, very good. All are giving correct answer. S T R T A M. Very good. Stream. S T R E A M. Stream. Yes, very good. S T R E A M. Yes, very good. Next word. Waterfalls. Waterfalls. Next word. Waterfalls. Waterfalls. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Very good. First, write the word of water, then falls. Water. Very good. Very good. Now, children, next word, hand pumps. Hand. First, write the word hand pumps. Very good. H-A-N-D. Hand. P-U-M-P. Pump. Very good. Very, very good. Okay, children. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture. If you have any doubts, you can message me in the chat box. Any doubts? No? No? Very good. You have no doubts? Very good. And oh, okay, children. No? Very good. Okay, children. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.